Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Tropical Capitalist. Today we are going to explore a beautiful 3-hectare project. Welcome to one of Panama's hidden gem, La Vista de las Lajas, a peaceful 3.1-hectare hilltop just 9 kilometers from Coronado and minutes from some of the Pacific coast's most beautiful beaches. Situated 300 meters above sea level, this unique property offers breathtaking panoramic ocean views, gentle breezes. It's a rare opportunity to own land in a privileged position with all the groundwork in place and all the permits approved for the future gated community. At the heart of the project lies a well-built 300 square meter home, thoughtfully designed with an open concept kitchen, dining, and living room area over 100 square meters. It also includes 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a large covered terrace, perfect for enjoying the sunrise. The guest room has a separate entrance, ideal for short-term rentals or visiting friends. The entire 3.1 hectares plus the home is available for $800,000. That breaks down to $20 per square meters for the land, which is $620,000, and $180,000 for the house. But flexibility is key. You can purchase the whole project or choose individual lots. Whether you're looking to build your dream home, develop a boutique community, or simply invest in land with unmatched views, La Vista de las Lajas is a place where vision meets value. So don't hesitate to contact us at my second option if you'd like more information about this project, or if you'd like to book a consultation with us to know a little bit more about our services. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And our WhatsApp contact link is in the description box. See you on the next video.